Hello everyone, welcome to Inspire Art Linkings. In this tutorial, we draw a simple scenery together using just pencil and paper. Begin by drawing a line for the horizon, then add trees, mountain and the sun or moon with light lines. Fill in the details gently, adding texture to trees and depth to the landscape. Use soft stroke for the sky. Remember, it's okay to keep it simple and have fun. In the quiet of solitude, the pencil dances on the blank page. Shadows whisper secret to the artist's hand. Each line tells a tale and a silent melody of expression. The paper became a canvas for the soul's whispers. With every stroke, emotion bleed onto the page. In the depth of loneliness, creativity finds its voice. The artist's heart beat in rhythm with the graphite. Dreams take shape in the solitude of creation. Echoes of inspiration reverberate in the stillness. A symphony of line and curves orchestrates a visual poem. The world fades away, leaving only the artist and the art. Each stroke is a step closer to the understanding. Time stands still as the imagination takes flight. In the silence, the mind finds clarity. Color of emotion blend and merge in a silent dance. The artist's hand becomes a conduit for expression. With each line drawn, a piece of soul is revealed. Though the feeling manifests in graphite and ink, the solitude of creation is sanctuary for the separate. The page became a mirror reflecting the artist's inner world. In the stillness, creativity flourishes. Shadows become companion in the journey of creation. Each sketch is a testament to the power of creation. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching.